symphonies. Before all I heard was silence, a rhapsody for you and me. And every melody is timeless. Life was stringing me along. Then you came and you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shola. I film about lifestyle, cooking, family and faith. Yeah, how you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing video. Yeah, I got some stuff from Hugs, from Shein, and also from Fashion Nova. Yeah, I'm going to be unboxing with you guys. It's one of the things I love to do. I love unboxing and I love shopping. Yeah, the summer is upon us, guys. It's time for fun. It's time to go to the beach, vacation time, and all the good stuff. Yeah, I'm going to be unboxing all the stuff I got with you guys. I hope you guys will like this video. Please subscribe, like, comment and turn on the notification bell. Yeah, let's get to it. Yes, sorry guys, I need to bring all the stuff here. Let me adjust my camera. Okay. All right. Ooh, it's a lot, guys. A lot of stuff. Yeah. Yeah, guys. Just the camera. Let me remove my glasses so that I can see you guys very well. Yeah, I'm going to start with this cute glasses I'm putting on. This is from Fashion Nova and it's really cute. I really like it. Yeah, Fashion Nova has become one of my favorite online store. I love Fashion Nova because you can get nice stuff and at a very good price. Yeah, so let's start with this. This is from Hugs. You can see Hug. It's a slip-on, and this actually is for my daughter. This is size 5. For my daughter, and I really love it. I got same thing, so I will show you mine. This is for my daughter, and this is mine. Yeah, I'm going to put it on. just putting on the slip-on. Yeah, show you my leg. Yeah. I'm trying to show you my leg. Okay. This is it. Yeah. And I love it. Here we go. Yeah. And this is the back. Yeah, this hug, the reason why I got this hug is very comfortable. Very comfortable. Okay, let's move to the next one. Okay. The next one is this axe. I got this axe from Shein. Yeah, this is from Shein. As you all know, it is summertime, beach vibe, you know, vacation vibe. Yeah, and I think it's cute too. I love it. Yeah. Ready for beach? Come on. Yeah, let's go. I love it. What do you think, guys? Yeah. So let's move to the next. Okay. Just put this aside. The next thing is this cute beach bag. Yeah, it's so cute. Yeah, and it's also have a strand inside. Yeah, this is just giving me beach and vacation vibe right now. Yeah, so cute. Yeah, I love it. So cute. Yeah. All right, let's move to the next stuff, the next item. Okay. All right, the next item is the shoe from Nike, and it's for my son anyway, but I'm just going to show it to you guys. Yeah, this it, just a plain black sneaker. Cute. Okay. And I also got this sunglasses for my daughter, also from Shein. Just the clear glasses, and it is very pretty. I also got this for my son. Yeah, this is just a plain black glasses for little kid. Yeah. Yeah, I also got this art for hobby. Just gonna put it on. Oh, looks good on me though. Wow. Yeah, it's for hobby. It's cute. And also I got this wish art for my daughter. Yeah. Yeah. This is what it looks like. Oh, it's so cute. And it got all these this beads on it. I love it. Yeah. Let's move to the next. Yeah, I got to open this. Excuse me guys, I need to get scissors to open this. 1 second. Yeah, I'm back. Ooh. Okay. Okay. All right, let's start with this. I got this for my daughter. So cute. Look at it. So cute. Yeah. That's for my daughter. Okay. And I guess this is also for her, so I'm not gonna open it. It's a top. All these ones are from Shein. Everything inside this box is from Shein. So you can see it on it, Shein. Okay, this is pajamas. Oh yeah, and this is the top. This is for my husband. Pajamas. Okay. All right. Okay, this I love. This is another pajamas with a short. Yeah, it's also for my husband. Oh, this is so cute. Wow, this is also for my husband. It's also pajamas. Pajama here, so cute. Okay. Yeah, this is the next one, and this is for me. It is a pajama, a shirt, and the blouse. Yeah, it's cute. Just for the summer. Yeah, what is in here? Oh, okay. Alright, this is panty. I'm not gonna be showing you guys that. Okay? Alright. This is for my son. This is also pajamas. Most of the thing inside this shein package are pajamas. So just for everybody, for my son, my daughter, myself, and my husband. So this is for my son. Okay. And this is another pajamas for me. Alright. Oh wow, pretty. Yeah, this one is a robe. Aww. I love this. I love the color. This is a robe. Yeah, and it's for me. So the next one is also for me. It's another pajamas which I love. I love the color, and I love, look at this. Oh, this is so beautiful. And this is the shorts. Wow, so cute. Okay, what's in here? Alright, yeah, it's summertime already, and this is beach ready. Yeah, this is beach wear, beach cover, and this is the bikini, and this is the, yeah. Alright, let's see what is here. Oh, alright. Okay, this is a dress. Oh, I love it. This is just a white plain dress with a ruffle at the bottom and at the top. It's cute. All this bra and panties, so I'm not showing you guys that one. I guess this is another okay, this is a dress also. Oh wow, I totally forgot I even ordered this dress. Oh, this is cute. This is just a plain black dress. I love it. Yeah, this is for my husband. You can see the vibe already. Yeah, beach ready, vacation ready. You see? So cute, so colorful. I love it. This is another bra. Alright, what is in here? Let's see. Oh wow, this is for my daughter. This is a swimming skirt. Wow, this is so cute. Look at the top, and you got the trunk. Wow, this is so cute. Here is another beautiful pajamas. I love this too. Oh, I so much love this. I love the color, you know, pink. You can't go wrong with pink. See, and look at the material. This is so beautiful. I love, 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 love it. Okay, all right. Let's see what is in here. Okay, this is also for my son. This is pajama. All right. Okay. This is another pants and brassiere. I'm not showing. I'm not opening this. Okay, let's move to the next one. Oh, wow. This is a dress. Oh. Yeah. Oh, this is for my daughter. This is just a plain black skirt. So cute. Look at this. Okay, I guess this is also for my daughter. Yeah, it's a PJ set. Yeah, and with the shorts. Okay, let's see what is here. Oh wow. Yeah, look at this, guys. This is for me. This is the pants and the top. Yeah, this is giving me the summer vibe already. Come on, let's go. Oh, this is another panty. What's in here? Oh wow, look at this, guys. Look at this beauty. This is beautiful. This is a swimming trunk. Wow, this is so beautiful. Wow, wow, wow. I love this thing in the and right here. So cute. I guess this is for my son. Oh, there's something in there. Okay, yeah. This is the swimming trunk. This is cute. I hope it won't be small though. Because it looks small. I guess it will do. Alright, what's in here? Oh, got like a little hat. Wow. Yeah. And this is another swimming trunk for my son. Oh, I love this. This oh, he's gonna love this with the baby shark. Wow. And also the hats. All right. Oh, this is another pajamas, but this one is long and the pants. So just keeping this one till winter time. Yeah. Okay, what's here? Oh, this is cute. Wow. look at the color. And this is the top. Okay. Yes, this is for my husband. This is another pajama. Oh, this is for my son. Oh, this is so cute. This is for Bish. Wow, I love this. So cute. I guess this is for my daughter. Yeah, this is for my daughter. It's like a beige cover with the top inside and the trunk. The next thing. And this is another pajama, the shorts, and this is the top. Yeah. And this is and this is another pajama set for my husband. I love this. This is just the so cute. Opa. Why? Yeah, this is another. So this is a blouse. What? Yeah, this is another pajamas, and this is for my husband. I got something like this. It says I love ah. Mine says I love A. So this is the shorts.
Mommy, it's a cucumber.
Okay.
Cucumber. That's color green.
And this is another beach for point. Sorry guys, just ignore the noise in the background.
Oh,
Yeah.
I'm making the windy bird.
Baba, stop.
No. What is going to blow? What's going
And this is another pajamas for over. Okay, move, thank you. Alright guys, that's the end of the unboxing video. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in my next one.